In today's video, I will show you how to bookmark a post on X. One of the best things about the bookmarking feature on X, which was formerly known as Twitter, is that it is completely private, meaning nobody else can see what you have saved and the original poster will not get a notification. To save something for later, first open the X app on your device and make sure to log in. Once on the home page, locate the post you want to bookmark. Below the post, you will see a row of buttons. So just click on the icon beside the share icon, that's the bookmark icon, and you will see a confirmation saying post added to your bookmarks. If you want to review what you have saved, you can easily view your list by tapping your profile picture at the top left and selecting Bookmarks from the sidebar menu, where everything is organized chronologically. Finally, if your list is getting too cluttered and you want to remove a post, simply go to your Bookmarks tab, tap the bookmark icon again on that specific post, and it will be removed instantly. And that's it. That's how you bookmark a post on X.